Bakit nga ba naghihiwalay ang mga long-term relationships? Maraming dahilan. Una is magkaiba na kasi ng lifestyle. Posibleng yung isa gusto na ng simpleng buhay, ng tahimik na buhay. Yung isa gusto na ng party-party, medyo maingay. So, pag magkaiba na ng lifestyle, medyo magkaiba na ng interest, magkaiba na ng hobby. And that's one reason kung bakit hindi nagtatagal ang long-term relationship. Pangalawa, it's magkaiba na ng vision. Maybe yung isa is meron ng ibang pangarap na hindi nakasama yung isa. Or maybe, meron ng nangangarap at merong wala pang pangarap. And so sometimes the mismatch of the two people in a relationship na hindi parehas ng vision, yun talaga yung dahilan bakit naghihiwalay yung mga nasa long-term relationship. Because why would you be with someone na hindi ka nakikita sa future niya? Pangatlo is that magkaiba na sila ng values. Maybe iba na yung pinapahalagahan nila. For some, maybe they value family. Maybe they value stability, security. And for some, maybe they value growth, adventure, fun. And pag nagkaroon na ng mismatch, hindi na rin sila magkakasundo at hindi na rin sila magtatagal. But at the end of the day, whether hindi na sila parehas ng lifestyle or ng vision or ng values, bottom line is they just outgrew each other. And masakit man sabihin, pero that's life. And that's okay. Because at the end of the day, kung para sa'yo yan, para sa'yo yan.